Yo, check this out. This is the 2026 Kia K4 GT Line Turbo Hatchback. So in this video, we are going over the exterior design as well as the interior design. Now, let me ask you this. Which one would you choose? Plug-in hybrid or hybrid? Let me know down below in the comment section. So, as I mentioned, this is the 2026 Kia K4 GT Line Hatchback, right? Now, look at the design of the front of this vehicle. In front right here, you have your Kia emblem right here. You have a touch silver here. Further down, you have your forward-facing camera, as well as your gloss black grille. And going down still, you have your massive gloss black grille down here. Me personally, I am not a fan of gloss black grille, of gloss black. I wish it was matte finish, but it's not. On this side, you have your front parking sensor with some fade vents. I wish those were wheel vents, but they're not. They're not. As for the light, you have a nice right here LED daytime running lights, as well as your LED headlights. So this is it, guys. This is the front of the vehicle. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And as for your clearance, as for your ground clearance, I should say, it's 5.3 inches, if I'm not mistaken. So this is it. This is the 2026 Kia K4 Turbo Hatchback. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So this is the side profile of the 2026 Kia K4 GT Line Turbo Hatchback. So this is the side, as you can see right here, this is the side profile. When you look at this one right here, it does not look like a hatchback to me. That's just me personally. It looks like more like a wagon type. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. But let's go with the design. We have for the window side, we have like all gloss black right here, and you have your silver down here. For your mirror cap, you have all black with your turning signal right here, and down here you have your side view camera. Further down, you have those design here just to make it nice, to not let it blend, blend, things like that. You have your color match body, color match for your door handle right here, and for the back door to open it, it's right here for your back door. So this is it, guys. This is the side profile. Let me know what you guys think. Now, if you are looking for a huge difference between this and the sedan, this is where it will be, on the back, because obviously this is the hatchback one. As you can see right there, you have a nice spoiler right here with your brake lights. Underneath here, you have your windshield, which left this clean, really neat, really nice. You have a nice curve here from all the way to the side, come all the way here, keep it clean, really nice curve. You have your Kia emblem right here. And as for the lights here, I'm glad that Kia did not do all lights here. You have from here to here, this is like, all gloss black with your backup camera here, and the light start from here, really all the way to the here, which really nice, really clean. So I really like that design. As for the light right here, further down, everything is nice and neat. You have your GT line right here. You have your parking sensor, and down here, you do have your backup lights down here. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback GT Line Turbo. Let me know what you guys think down below of the exterior design. Now, let's go take a look at the interior. So this is it right here. This is the interior of the 2024 of the 2026 Kia K4 GT Line Hatchback Turbo. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Starting from the door itself, the driver door. On the driver door, you have hidden seats, 3 stages of hidden seats right here, 3 stages of ventilated seats, and 2 stages of hidden steering wheel, which is really neat for a vehicle like this. Right, this vehicle, I believe it's under $30,000, and you have all those nice things right here. On the driver's side, on the seat itself, you have your power seat right here and your lumbar support. So this is how you have a two-tone color for your seat. Really nice, black and white. And you have your GT line right here. And I always like that with Kia, the way they do the headrest right now. It's really nice. It's really nice and really clean. This is the steering wheel right here. You have two-tone of the steering wheel. Look at this, really nice. You have the flat top as well as the flat bottom. I do know some people do not like that. Let's get in. As you can see, it is raining out here, guys. I wanted to bring you the video. So, I don't know if you can see this very well. There's a purple light go all the way in on the vehicle. So at nighttime, it's really nice. Let's turn it on. So yeah, 2026 Kia K4 GC line turbo hatchback. So this is what you have. This is what you're working with. So on this steering wheel right here, on the left side, you have all your connectivity right here, all your lane keeping assistant, lane departure warning, everything right here, your cruise control. On the right side, this is where you have all your connectivity right here, on the right side. Down here, you have your drive mode. You do not have a lot, you have just two, your normal and sport for your drive mode right here. And you have your pedal shifted right here, down on the back. It's really satisfying when you click it. And also, since we have like, surrounding camera, when you make a left turn, you can see right here. And when you're making a right turn, you can see it right here, which is really neat from Kia. But yeah, you have a 12.3 inches touch, infotainment touchscreen right here. 12.3 infotainment touchscreen. So yeah, if you know everything about Kia, the screens, the interior looks pretty much the same on almost all of them. All right. So you have more mode here. So down here, you have two USB-C down here. You have your wireless phone charging here with a nice grip, so your phone will not move around as you're driving. But yeah, your cup holder. Yeah, let's take a look at the camera. To me, the camera is really nice, really crisp. Look at this. It takes the whole screen, which is really nice. All right. This is just your back. And when you turn in your stern, as you can see right there, it shows you everything, which is really nice, really clean. Look at that. You see that? When I'm making a turn, you see the wheel outside. So yeah, this is it. This is the interior. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section so far. All right. So let's take a look at the back seat right now. So this is your back seat right here. As you can see, the back seat, this is my ideal seating from the front. I am not a tall guy, I'm 5'5". But yeah, I have a lot of space. You have a vent with two USB-C here. So that gives you 4 USB-C in total. But yeah, this is how the back seat, from the back seat, this is how it looks like. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section so far. Now let's take a look at the trunk. So this one's not automatic to open the trunk. It's manual. I wish it was automatic, but it's not. But yeah, you have a lot of space here. I do not have the exact space for the cubic feet, for the trunk. Again, if you're interested, let me know. I can get that for you. But yeah, and also guys, if you're interested in this vehicle, let me know, right? I can have you guys come in and see this vehicle, test drive this vehicle, and even buy this vehicle. If you're interested, just let me know down below in the comment section. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the 2026 Kia K4 GT line turbo hatchback. What do you guys think? Would you guys choose this? Would you guys choose this over the regular sedan? And if you guys want to see comparison between this one and the sedan, let me know down below in the comment section. But yeah, so thank you guys for being here. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like and what you don't like in this video, in this car. I want to see what you guys think down below in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one.